Hey guys, it's the morning of August 28th, 2020, and there's just been big news on NIO stock. Bulls should prepare for a downturn as the company is gearing up for further dilution by offering 75 million additional shares. So if you look at NIO, it's after hours trading, it's gone down significantly. And this is something we have to watch very closely for. And the reason it's gone down is because of this dilution. For those of you who are unfamiliar with NIO, it's a Chinese automobile manufacturer. It's headquartered in Shanghai and they specialize in designing and developing electronic autonomous vehicles. This is a company that people are saying is the next Tesla or the Chinese version of Tesla. Now, whether that's true remains to be seen. I think very few companies can actually compete with Tesla, and some Chinese stocks have had a little bit of a sketchier track record when it compares to American stocks. But let's look at what's happening today that's driving its price down. One of the more prominent Chinese EV manufacturers has come to resemble a unidirectional stock play lately as its shares traversed an incessant upward trajectory, culminating in a year-to-date 400% plus rally based on Thursday's closing price of $19.88. However, this bullish regime is now under threat as NIO is gearing up to offer 75 million additional shares. So the reason they're doing this is they need to raise additional funds, so they are looking to offer 75 million American depository shares. Overall, their Class A ordinary shares will swell to 1.05 billion shares. They expect to raise around $1.4 billion through this offering. So generally, what happens to the share price when new shares are issued is that it dilutes the ownership stake of existing investors because each investor is now holding a smaller piece of the pie because there's more pie coming in. It also threatens to slow earnings growth as the greater number of shares there's just less earnings per share as a result, because it's not as if the company is magically growing bigger. You are just adding more shares into the pool, just like a stock split where you're splitting an existing share into more shares. It behaves in the same way. Nothing is fundamentally changing about the company. The fundamentals will remain the same. And that is why you are seeing this dip right now. So if you want to get into NIO, I would plan on getting into it today or in the upcoming future, because this is definitely going to be a dip where you can buy NIO at a discount. Let me know, what do you think of NIO stock? Is it going to be the next Tesla? Do you think the shares dilution is going to put it in a bearish state for long? That's it for now. Thank you all so much for watching.